Hey, welcome back to Serene in the Making, a beginner-friendly, calm little corner of creativity. Yes, those are pennies. And if you're an artist looking for simple drawing ideas, relaxing color videos, or a stress-free art session, this one is going to feel really good. Today I'm focusing on Holiday Tree number 2, full of abstract circles. So if you're into drawing, coloring, and want to improve your freehand drawing techniques with simple shapes, I think you're going to enjoy this one. So let's jump in. That's right, your eyes do not deceive you. I'm using whatever circle making tools that I could find. Pennies, a bottle cap, an old protractor, and a little compass from way back in the day. Before drawing the circles, I sketch a large triangle and rectangle, and that's going to give the tree just enough structure for the circles to sit naturally on top. So this is the part where I start adding circles of all sizes. Big ones, tiny ones, and everything in between. This type of simple art technique is perfect for beginners because it helps you practice shapes without any pressure. And here's a little art tip for you. You don't even really have to do the circles perfectly. If you stay tuned, I have a little technique that'll help mask all of your mistakes. I hope this is a judgment-free zone because I did struggle with this compass a little bit. However, I did find that this was really relaxing and a little playful. And my new motto is, if it's not easy, I don't want to do it. So if you're looking to get into your creative bag, this tutorial is a great way to warm up before jumping into something more detailed. So for the next part, let's jump into the first layer of colors. I decided to start with markers first, and I grabbed all my jewel tones. I chose these color combinations because I didn't want to do anything traditional. Besides yellow, these are my favorite colors on the color wheel: emerald, sapphire, amethyst, and topaz. They are just rich and bold with color. I recommend this color palette because you don't need to do any fancy blending to make them look good. They stand out on their own. So I'm almost finished with my first layer of color using marker. And do you see this here? There's a lot of streaks and it definitely looks unfinished. So my next step is to add depth with colored pencils. This is great practice if you're exploring your drawing techniques, trying to build your confidence, or experimenting with your own coloring style. So far, I've learned to keep the pressure light, switch the colors often, and let your creativity lead the way. Remember that this is the second holiday card? Well, if you want to see the first one, it's right here for you. It will also be in the description, along with all the other playlists that I'd love to share with you. Alright, let's slow it down just a little bit. This next step is about defining each circle with a fine tip marker. This was the part that I was talking about. If you didn't make your circles perfect, or if your hand is not as steady as you would like it to be, this little technique is really going to work in your favor. Let me zoom in for you real quick. Do you notice that little back and forth zigzag motion? That hides all of your flaws. So if smooth outlines stress you out, skip them. This is the moment where the abstract holiday tree really shows its charm. Imperfect lines equal character. Now for one of my favorite steps, I'm using my white acrylic marker. It's great for adding details. You can make tiny little sparkles, dots, and little highlights all around the circles. I think it instantly makes everything festive. I think it's a great way to finish a relaxing coloring video because it gives your brain that little, yes, I'm done moment. And there you have it. That's holiday tree number 2. Simple shapes, jeweled tones, easy techniques, and a calm drawing tutorial that you can follow at any level. If this video helped you relax, inspired your creativity, or gave you a fresh idea for your own holiday card, let me know in the comments. What color palette should I try next? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for coming with me on my creative art journey. Alright, it's time to go and get back to the drawing board.